rock egg.
Ha ha ha, that's funny, Sinbad. What are you trying to pull?
No, I'm serious. We need to get out of here. Crack, 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 crack.
Just a moment after the enormous egg cracked open and the mother bird came angrily after it.
Ow, run!
No!
Oh no, we're sinking!
Sinbad found himself on an island of paradise. The trees were full of massive fruits. The traveler book sounded so peaceful.
Now that I have driven myself, let me explore this wonderful place.
Sinbad found a grassy mound just before a river. There he found an old man dressed in leaves.
Hello? Say something. Anything.
Sinbad took pity on the wrinkled old man.
Old man, you are heavy. You can get off now. No. You can get off now. No.
That only made him grip tighter. First of all, Sinbad carried the old man for weeks, only stopping to let him pick fruit and sleep.
I have a marvelous idea. I shall pick grapes and turn them into wine.
They returned a few days later.
Wow, the grapes have turned into wine.
Immediately, the old man grabbed the wine and drank it.
Yes, my plan worked.
As soon as Sinbad landed, the old man was drunk and he fell off his shoulder.
Ah, my shoulders are free. Now, no wasting time.
Sinbad took the old man on the crossing out of the path so that no one Sometime soon, Sinbad got picked up by a ship and explained to the captain.
That old man is called the Old Man of the Sea, and you are the only one who has escaped his trap. Me? You are not only the luckiest sailor, but the craftiest too. Why, thank you.